Martin Matt here, and in this Photoshop Basics video I'll show you how we can create a pop-out. Pop-out is where all of our images are within the text, but we're going to make a part of it actually emerge so that it appears. And for this I'm going to take this photo of me surfoiling and looking at how we can actually make it pop out. So first thing that I'm doing on this is, as you can see, I'm already zoomed in quite a bit. I can hold down Control and press plus and minus to nice and quickly and easily zoom in. So I want this nice and big to make this easy as possible. Next thing I'm going to do, here's the photo layer, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate that layer. So I want to create a duplicate copy of it. I click OK. There we go, I've now got my copy there. You'll see from that little down arrow there that at the moment there's still a clipping mask on it. So I want to right click and I want to release that clipping mask. Now it's put a copy of the original image without the clipping mask on the top. It's really important we don't move this, something that's very important. Now, I want to select just the subject. So I want to select just this part. And as we've learnt before, I can get Photoshop to make a good start for me by doing select subject. Let's see how it goes. Not too bad. As you can see, it found most of me. It's got quite a bit of water in here that I don't want for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change to another tool, and this tool here is our object selection tool, or the one that we want, the quick selection tool. Okay. I'm going to change so that I've got a nice small brush to do this. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click firstly on parts of the image that I think that it's missed. I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit more to make this easier too, so I'll Control plus plus. Okay, and I'll pan it across. So I can see it's missed my leg. So you can see all I'm doing is I'm clicking to get it to try and get the bits that it's missed. A little bit of the foil, I want a bit more of the foil here. You can see all the marching ants appearing around it. Okay, a little bit of the board maybe, I'll just try and get a little bit more. No, I don't like that. I just Control Z to get rid of that. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because we can tweak it with a brush later. Now, if there are bits like this that I want to get rid of, if I hold down the Alt key, you'll notice that the selection changes to a minus symbol. This is now going to take away bits of the image that I don't, bits of the selection, sorry, that I don't want. So I'm just carefully clicking. Sometimes it goes too far, and then I just have to Control plus to kind of bring it back. So I'm just trying to get the best job that it can to make a pretty good selection. I'm fairly happy with that. Looks like it missed the board, so let's just run across and get that little bit of board there. Okay, let's get rid of that. See, it's a little bit tricky, takes a little bit of time, but we'll get there in the end. There we go. I'm going to go with that. So that to me looks like it's got a pretty good selection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a layer mask. So what you'll see there now, it's applied a layer mask straight away, and because I didn't move the image, what it's done is it's now got me partly coming out of my name, so it's a pop out. So as you can see, I'm kind of popping out here. I want to tidy up that board a little bit. That looks a little bit ugly. That's pretty much the only bit I think that I want to kind of get good. So again, I'll zoom in, Control plus, hold down my space bar to pan. It's just that bit of water that I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to do this with a brush. So this time I'm going to get the brush tool. Let's get a fairly small brush and a nice hard brush as well, because I want to kind of go right along the edge. So let's get a nice small brush. That looks like it'll do. Okay. And all I'm going to do, if you remember, white reveals, black conceals, so I want to conceal this bit of water. So I'm going to hold down my mouse button, carefully taking away the bits that I don't want. Don't like that bit, eh? Just get rid of that. I reckon I am happy with that. Let's zoom out and let's see what we've got. Yep, so as we can see, I've managed to successfully create the pop-out over the top of the clipped text.